Hello, this is Loretta Rain of Creators Gap, and today I'm going to show you how you can just take an ordinary colouring page and add some elements to it to just make it a bit more attractive. So here I'm in Midjourney, and this is an octopus that Midjourney created for me. So I created this prompt which produced this seaweed border. I have an image in the middle and then this around the outside. So yeah, I quite like that one. I can work with that. So then what I would do is upscale that, subtle, and that will create for me a bigger image with a bigger resolution. Okay, so I've downloaded the octopus image and the seaweed border. So let's see if we can put them together. So just go to uploads and we'll do the border first. So let's drag that out to the ends like that. I will bring in the octopus. So click that, and unfortunately that has got a background that needs to be removed, but this will cause a problem when we do remove the background, which we can do. We can remove the background, but let me show you what will happen. So background remover, and it has taken the background away, but unfortunately it's also taken the inside of the octopus away, so he is transparent, which is not ideal and does not work for this. So what we need to do, we delete that, and we need to use another application called Photopea, and I will show you that now. Okay, so now we're in Photopea, which is free to use. It's just photopea.com, and I just opened a project, or opened this image that we downloaded from Midjourney. So now we want to take away this background. We go over to this eraser tool here and click on that, and then if we do the magic eraser and then we click on the outside here, and then that has taken away the background, which is what we needed. So then we can now save that, save changes, and come back to Canva. Oops, over here, and then we're going to upload, drag it over to the uploads folder there. Try again. Doesn't like that one. That's it. That's it. That's worked now. And then click on that, and we now have our octopus that has its insides intact. So now we have a colouring page. I think the seaweed is a little bit too big, so maybe we could make that a little, oops, that one a little bigger, just so it comes, it's not so intrusive around there. So that's a little better there. Make him nice and big. There you go. So now you've got a colouring page, octopus and seaweed. I hope you enjoyed that. This is Loretta Rain of Creators Gap.